Welcome back. Before we check out this stunning case, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Foifkin F600 PC case. Is it the best budget panoramic case of 2026? The F600 is clearly inspired by high-end aquarium-style cases, but at a fraction of the cost. It features a dual-chamber design that hides your power supply and cables, giving you a crystal-clear view of your GPU and motherboard through the seamless glass. Aesthetics are a 10, but what about airflow? The F600 supports up to 920mm fans. We tested it with a high-end RTX 50 series card, and the vertical airflow chimney effect keeps temps impressively low, provided you don't skimp on the intake fans. The build quality is solid, though the metal is slightly thinner than premium brands. However, the cable management space in the back is generous, making it a dream for first-time builders who want a clean, professional-looking setup without the stress. If you want that boutique look without the boutique price tag, the Foifkin F600 is a total winner for 2026. It's stylish, functional, and affordable. Hit like, subscribe for more PC hardware reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.